painting in the sky are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, singing, "How do you do?" They really think.
So if you look at the canyon wall in front, you see all these lines that run across the wall. Each line represents a separate lava flow. That's how the island was formed. One lava flow stacking up in another.
They'll learn much more than we'll know, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
And we're going to pull right into the corner of the canyon, make a right turn in front of a waterfall known as Waipopo.
Waterfall tumbling right down the wall, reading for you, my love. And
You can hike to the top of this falls too. There's a trail up there. It's about an hour and a half to reach. It's a pretty basic hike, nothing too strenuous at all.
lovely paradise built there within your eyes from my waterfall.
Even Todd would be able to do that hike. Maybe.
Dream on, dream of your fantasy, a place just for you and me, my love. Spread your wings and fly away. Fly to that distant star from my waterfall.
We'll be crossing right over the highway here in a moment. It's 550. It's going to be right at the top there. On in front of us down on the ocean is our military base. The United States test missiles out there on that coastline. That's the military's radar system. That's what they use to track all the missiles they launch from the base. Everything out on the left is restricted airspace. Now descending down the coast, known as Napoli. Now, Polly means the cliffs. Once up to 15,000 wide, there are no highways out here.
Waterfalls for you, Todd.
Now entering the valley of Honopu. This is a sacred valley. It's the burial grounds. Our kings are buried in this valley. It's nicknamed the Valley of the Kings. Still trying to figure out how I'm gonna turn around now. Nice view looking out to there, Sherry. And I hate my job. What a horrible way to make a living. They forced me to sit in this $3.5 million helicopter. Pay me to show off my home. Not to mention they really overworked me. They forced me to work 3.5 days a week. Much. Wasn't for you folks, I would be on the beach down there right now. That's Kalalau. You can hike to it. It takes only 8 hours to get there. It's a state park. Camping's allowed. Permits required. Nice ridge lines over the beaches we call cathedrals. Featured in many, many movies. big valley here is Kalalau Valley. Once up to 5,000 Hawaiian people living in this one valley. The last Hawaiian moved out in the year 1919. The only people you're going to find in the valley today are called hippies. Yeah, hippies grow some good crops in there too. I just heard it was good. I never tried it. You guys did one of the boat tours out here? Very popular, these boat tours. Many companies, many different types, different activities. Some can take you snorkeling, some can get you out here on a nice sunset jetta cruise. Take a smaller sized boat, they can take you into all the caves down there. Many caves you can venture into. Keep in mind, the smaller boats are bumpier to ride on, so if you want a comfortable ride, you want to take a big one, like a catamaran tour.
Are the caves old lava tubes?
It is old lava tubes, yep. Right in front of us on the corner is Kauai. That's the end of the road on the north side of the island where the hiking trail starts for the Napali. To reach the end of the road, unfortunately, you do need a permit. It wasn't like that until about 7 years ago. We're experiencing well over 6,000 visitors approaching the end of the road per day. That's causing too much traffic issues for the community, so we had to get that traffic flow under control, and that's why they limit how many parking permits they give out.
What kind of sea life do you see on these tours, like whales and stuff?
It is not whale season right now. It's the end of whale season, so it is possible to see a whale, but pretty rare to see them this far deep into the season. They come here during the winter from Alaska, when Alaska gets too cold. Yeah, there's all kinds of marine life down there. You get sharks, dolphins, turtles, stingrays. The best way to see these things, though, would be boat tours. We are 1,600 feet above the water, so to see a 15-foot shark would be that big. That's the famous surf spot in front of us, this big coral reef, the waves kind of crashing on it. Small waves today, but that is tunnels. Surf spot featured in the movie Soul Surfer. If you guys remember Bethany Hamilton getting her arm bit off by a shark, made a movie about her. That's where she got her arm bit off in real life. Still see her surfing too. She's good. She's teaching her kids how to surf now. The town of Hutton on the right. This is actually where the actor Pierce Brosnan lives. Pierce is a full-time resident on Kauai. He had his home there for well over 25 years now. A lot of celebrities down there, though. Not just this town. All the towns up ahead. Got people like Ben Stiller, Will Smith, Mark Zuckerberg, Dwayne The Rock Johnson. He films a lot here too. If you guys saw the movie Jungle Cruise, that was here. Just before that, he did another one called Hobbs and Shaw, the spin-off of Fast and the Furious. I actually worked on that movie. I was hired to be the Rock's body double. Oh, I did fly for the film now. We're gonna climb up into the mountains, cross over the straight beach. That's Lumahai, Hanalei Bay up in front, left of the bay is Princedale. All these crops occur in waterbeds in these towns below the taro plant. That was one of the main food sources for Hawaiians. Makes a food product called poi. You guys tried some yet? Poi?
Not poi. Isn't poi fish?
No, poi is the plant I just talked about. It's basically our version of your mashed potato. Must be thinking poke. Poke is raw fish.
So koi is like fennel or celery root? Similar, but